Hello children, welcome to I Love Science. In today's video, we will tell you some interesting things about the new technology called fiber technology, which is used for high-speed internet communication these days. Recently, at my home, I got the fiber connection for internet, and this is the wire that they used for that connection. And if I show you this wire, then you will see how is it different from normal wire. You know that in normal electrical wires, the outside plastic is there and inside the wire is of any metal like copper or aluminum. But in this one, the wire inside is not a metal. It is actually plastic. So let me just take out this and then I will show it to you. So if you can see that this particular wire here is actually transparent. Maybe it's not very clear, but it's actually made of plastic. So this is the wire. There is no copper or aluminum wire in this, and the signal which comes for internet actually passes through this plastic. Now you know that plastic is a bad conductor of electricity. So how does it pass the signal? Because the signal is not electrical signal, the signal comes in form of light, right? And how does the light pass through it? Just see a simple example here. What I have here is a glue stick, which is like a very thick plastic pipe, solid plastic pipe. And if I put a laser light here, then you will see that the light passes through it like this. And even if I bend the tube, the light also gets bent internally. Now that is how the signal gets bent along with the plastic pipe inside the fiber cable. So we will do a very simple experiment where we will create a small fiber for you and then see how the light can pass through it. So what I have here is a simple plastic tube. We will fill it with water. So let me just put the syringe and fill this with water. Okay. So now this is filled with water, and then let's see if the light can pass through it, and light should also get bent. Normally you know that if I use any laser, whether I am using the red laser here, I am using the green laser here, the light always travels in the straight line. But inside a fiber, it gets bent along with the fiber or plastic tube. Try that if we put the laser light at this end of the tube, then through the water, if we can achieve that, the light will get bent along the tube and reach the other end at the syringe. So let's see if we can achieve that. I think it should be visible that the light is going through the bent tube, light is getting bent inside the tube with water and reaches the other end, which is the at the syringe, right? Let's try this with the green laser light also. This happens because of the concept of total internal reflection, where once the light enters the thin fiber, it keeps getting reflected from the edges of the fiber, and even if the fiber is bent, it keeps moving alongside the fiber. So I hope now you understand a little better about the fiber technology for high-speed internet. Now tell me, why is it that communication with light is preferred for high-speed internet than in form of electrical signals? If you don't know the answer, please search on internet and give your answers in the comments below. And don't forget to like our page, because we will be posting one new interesting video this whole month. So thank you, enjoy, bye.